Hey guys, welcome back to the mill this morning. We got something a little different. We got some maple, and I'd say it's probably going to be a little spalted. It's the same job for a customer we did some cherry for recently. He's doing some rustic beds, and he needed 7 1/4 by 7 1/4 posts, 4.5 foot, 5.5 foot tall. He's a craftsman by trade, does a lot of this. So he brought us some maple. Now they're short. They're 5, 6, 8 foot, 5.5. There's some short pieces, so it'll be a challenge to cut them. Wood misers don't like to hold something that short, but we'll make it through. And the other kind of point of this video is aging your maple. You know, we've been covering that topic a lot here lately. Maple's one of those species that can benefit from time laying on the ground. Most maple, when you cut it, is yellow inside. It's beautiful wood, but I believe this is going to have some ambrosia. So hang on, we'll be right back. We got this log squared down to the dimensions the customer wanted. Now, I got a couple things. One, it's not spalted that much, which was kind of surprising, but it has a tremendous amount of ambrosia. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's a little wormhole right here. See that little wormhole? That's where an ambrosia worm had dug in and it defecated inside the wood. And that's what makes your ambrosia. So there's 2 little wormholes there. That's what causes maple to go ambrosia. Now, it's gorgeous. You're probably wondering why we didn't get a square 7x7. Well, I can't, if you ever heard the southern phrase, you can't make chicken salad out of chicken poop. Well, I can't make a square log out of one that's too small. Now he's building a rustic bed, so this will probably be acceptable to him. I didn't cut these logs, that's what he brought, so that's the best we can do with it. If it's not acceptable, he can bring us another log. We got 3 or 4 more of these to go through. We get done with all of them, we'll come back and talk about them. Hang on, we'll be right back. Okay guys, we finished up the maple. We forgot to take a video before we stacked all this other stuff on it, but you can see the 7x7s. They got beautiful ambrosia, and the other log we just sawed up into 8-foot 1x6s, 1x8s. If you don't know, this black staining is caused by the ambrosia beetle, and I really expected a lot more spalting out of this. There's a little bit, but not much, you know. But the ambrosia by itself is pretty enough. And you can get this in a tree that's still standing. Most time it's standing dead or dying. But if it don't have this, if it's just this, you know, pretty yellow-white color, the only way to get it, set it over there in a pile and just leave it alone for about 6 months. Maybe even a year. Just keep a check on it, make sure it don't start to deteriorate. But this species, maple, greatly benefits from aging if you want this color. Now, if you just want pretty rock hard yellow maple, cut it green, cut it quick as you can, because it will do this over time. One little tidbit I'll give you. We accidentally stacked a maple log or two in a big pile of poplar logs we had last year. And when we got around to sawing that poplar, we found the 2 maple logs. But we also found a few poplar logs that had ambrosia beetle in it. They had migrated out of that maple into the poplar. And we actually have a pile up there right now that we've thrown a few maple logs on, and we're gonna see if we can recreate the experiment. We did it by accident the first time. This time we're trying to do it on purpose. So that will be in a later video. We probably got another 4 to 6 months on that before we even think about sawing it, but just something to think about. Anything else on this we missed? That's gonna do it for today, guys. As usual, we'd like to give a special shout out to the people that help us out around here. And I'm not necessarily meaning financially. I mean just literally helping us out. Being a good friend. Solomon, Third Beard Fishing. He's my son-in-law, but him and Matthew do all our video editing. Those videos come out every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 5 o'clock Eastern time. And Joe Maine, can't give him enough credit, guys. If you're running a Wood-Mizer, a Cook's, you know, Lucas Mill, whatever, they carry blades for everybody. They can actually make specialty lengths. Give Joe a call. He'll be glad to help you out. He works for Industrial Cutting Tools. Good friend, good aid to this channel. And Oh, Craig Kilter. If you're on Woodmiser Facebook page, you know who Craig is. He comments on just about every post out there. It takes a lot of time, people. I'll tell you that. I can't do it. Try to run a business, YouTube and everything else. I look and I like, but if there's somebody that's already commented exactly what I was going to do, I just move on. No sense adding to the numerous messages guys got to read. But Craig is all the time commenting, helping new guys out on the Woodmiser social page. He runs a YouTube channel, Kilter Sawyer. If you get a chance, check him out. Good people. That's going to do it for today, guys. We greatly appreciate you tuning in and watching. I hope you learned something. I learned something every day. I learned that Eric Champion likes doing YouTube. A year ago, I couldn't imagine that. But I thoroughly enjoy it. I see things that other people may not see. And I watch YouTube as well, and I see things from other people that I didn't know. We're always learning, guys. When we quit learning, time to pick out a gravestone, we're moving on. But I hope it helps. If you got any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Do my best to answer them. That's going to do it for today, guys. We appreciate it, and we'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.